Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Jason Vlogs and Reviews. And we're joined by Batman Joey, and today we are reviewing the new Bird's Eye Cauliflower Wings. There are 4 different flavors. There is the garlic parmesan, barbecue, teriyaki, and buffalo. I have 3 of the 4 flavors. I couldn't find the teriyaki is the one I believe I couldn't find. But we're going to try them and just see what we think about them. The first one we're going to do is the garlic parmesan, which is the bag I just showed y'all. And this is what it looks like in the bowl. I might have tossed it too hard or whatnot. Anyway. Alright, let's try them.
That's tasty. That's very delicious.
They are pretty good. Definitely has a strong garlic parmesan flavor. I don't know how well it marries into the breaded cauliflower. And there's definitely some pieces where when I tossed it, the breading came off. When I tossed the cauliflower in the sauce, the breading came off. So I'm gonna have to be careful with the other 2.
Still delicious. It's just no. Still delicious.
The garlic parmesan, I give it I'll give it a 3 out of 5.
I am gonna go for a 9 out of 10.
Joey said a 9 out of 10, so he seems to really like it.
I love it.
It definitely has, like I said, it definitely has that strong garlic flavor. Let Mommy try it if she wants to.
Okay.
So, there you go. I'll be right back with another flavor. I think I'm going to do barbecue next. I'll see you in a few minutes. And we're back. So our next
With the other
flavor, our second flavor is cauliflower wings barbecue.
Yeah. This time I brought a fork.
Yeah. So there we go. Let's try this. Again, that's what it looks like in the bowl.
In case you need one. Oh, that is good. Alright. It's delicious.
So it's a tangy barbecue.
I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Joy gives it a 9.5 out of 10. I don't know, like, I'm not completely sure that it meshes well between the barbecue sauce and the cauliflower. I've noticed between the last one and this one, they both have really strong flavors. Like it's almost like they boost the flavor to try to help cover up the cauliflower, maybe? I don't really know, but
It is delicious.
I mean, it's good. It's good, but I'm still...
Actually, I'm going to go for 10.5 out of 10.
Joey's going to give it a 10.5 out of 10. I'm going to give it, I guess, 3. I'll go with 4. I'm just not super impressed by either one of them. I do have to say, upon trying the seasoning from the Parmesan garlic, I do like it a little bit better than my initial flavoring. Yeah, there you go. That's the barbecue. We got one more flavor, so I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, and we're back with the last of the 3
that we got.
cauliflower wings. This is buffalo style. Bird's eye cauliflower wing, buffalo style. And this is what it looks like in the bowl. Yep. Alright. So let's try it. Get you a small piece.
I don't, I promise. I don't even have titties. If I didn't have saggy titties, so how many times?
Tastes
Okay, so I
odd.
found next TJ Maxx, and the last one we went to, I found some amazing goodies that I was not able to show you guys. So first things first, I found this whole kit right here from Fat Dad. This is the Fat Dad X 50
This
Glow Kitchen Kit. This is a 2-in-1. This is eyeshadow and highlighter duo.
Tasty. Not that spicy, but also very weird tasty. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10.
So Joey's going to give it a 6 out of 10. This is probably my favorite. I'm going to give it a strong... I'm going to give it 4 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5, sorry. The flavors mesh really well.
Yeah, I thought it was kind of an odd taste, which I've already said.
It's definitely what I would expect of buffalo sauce mixed with cauliflower. So it's very delicious. Yeah. So that's that's our cauliflower wings. We had the garlic parmesan, the barbecue, and then the buffalo. They also make a teriyaki, but I couldn't find the teriyaki at the time when I got all these.
You mentioned that in the first video.
The price was around, I think,
Alright, next we
$2 or $3
Hello Fab, this is from First Aid
and some
Week.
change. I don't remember exactly off the top of my head.
This retails for $4.99 compared to $8.
Um,
Again, I'm not sure if
so
it is, but it's just going to be an oil-free.
I got them at Walmart.
So we'll actually see.
As always, you go find them, try them, tell them what you think in comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so that you're subscribed. If you are subscribed, please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!